Project Management Trends NN 2022. Project management will undergo significant changes in the coming year. Worldwide physical and cultural events are shaping every new project management trend happening in the industry. They may even be transforming the entire project management discipline. Keep reading to stay in the know about some of the most notable changes, along with our predictions for what to expect in the near future. What are the current trends in project management? While we all want to see into the future of project management trends, these current industry ideas are sure to influence project management teams for months to come. 1. Improving communication within hybrid teams. 2. Improving the efficiency of hybrid and remote work. 3. Using as a means of combining strategy and output. A prediction of future trends in project management. Based on our experience and research, we believe that the following future trends in project management are worth exploring. Use each one to better understand your goals for the upcoming year and what the industry may look like in a few months' time. Fully remote project teams. Role of technology. An increased dependency on project management tools. A focus on enhanced collaboration. An online project management tool understanding different types of soft skills. Wondering how to stay ahead of the curve and improve your own soft skills? Here are some tips to practice. Don't make assumptions about what others are thinking and feeling. Encourage discussion and always get important project details in writing. Encourage employees to be themselves, contribute to project planning, and express their personalities. Connect with individual team members on nth degrees deeper level by asking questions about their lives outside of work. Learn how to properly apologize and resolve an argument for yourself and for others. Be open to feedback. You can always learn and improve. Emphasis on avoiding physical and mental stress. Most predict that in 2022, you'll be more challenged by employee development than employee retention, requiring your new team members to settle in faster with optimized training programs and work delegated to new team members sooner. Avoiding physical and mental stress will be a large part of keeping employees happy, healthy, and on your team. You may not realize it, but there are a lot of ways you can make work smoother for your entire team. Here's how: set clear expectations with goals and deadlines. Allow for scheduling flexibility. Make fitness part of your workplace culture. Give more praise than criticism. A continued concentration on methodology.
Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.